Let's see how to format a printable booklet in Microsoft Word. So first off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, for those of you who may require it, printing a booklet can also be done in Microsoft Word. All you have to do is click on the Layout tab. Now right here, under Page Setup, click this arrow right here to open up a new window. And on this one, click Multiple Pages, and that should open up a drop-down list that will allow you to print it in bookfold format. So that will change the preview right here at the bottom, and you'll notice that it now looks like a book. So you can also change the formatting of this booklet by changing the margins. So let's go ahead and try changing the gutter, which is the middle portion of this booklet right here. So let's go ahead, and you'll notice that the space in the middle increases as we increase this gutter. And that is how you format a printable booklet in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.